live right now. Hello, good evening. Welcome to Eki Traders Institute. We're reaching right now live from Edo State, all right? And this live webinar, we're talking about market, okay? We're demonstrating the Eki BinaSexy System v1.0 today. All right, to show you how it works in the market and how you can benefit from it using to trade the binary options market. All right, so today, if you are hearing our voice, you're joining us right now live on Facebook or using our webinar link and joining this session, you're welcome. You're welcome. So we're kicking off right away. All right? First, we're going to talk about what the binary options market is. Options market opportunity today, binary options. Where you have other markets, you have the Forex market, you have the equities market, you have other markets. Okay, but what exactly is the binary options market? That's what we're talking about right now. Okay, the binary options is simply a financial instrument that gives the trader to purchase an option based on how the trader understands the movement of a price for an underlying asset. All right. In other words, you predict the movement of the price of an asset in the market. All right. So let's read further. It's similar to more traditional vanilla options because it's also an agreement between two parties, okay, to call or put the financial security at a specific price or within a certain expiration period. All right, the amount of return you receive on a call or a put option is an agreed upon percentage based on if the option expires in the money. Okay, that's you have a gain, or you have a winning trade, or out of the money. All right, that will be the other way around. Okay, you correctly predict the trend of an underlying asset within the allotted time. The option is set to expire in the morning. That means you win. Okay, this simple proposition is a root of the option success. As its core, you are answering a yes or simply a no. All right, that's the options market for. Okay, now we're going to be delving deep right now into what we have for you today. The content of what we have for you today, right, which is our system that we designed for binary options that can help you profit from this market without you having any form of knowledge, okay, any form of trading knowledge at all. You can benefit from trading the options market. All right. Okay. Now we move further. We're going to introduce you to some of the platforms, the binary options account and brokers that are available today. Or you may not be a trader, you may be new to this, but you have to know the basics. Okay, that are used in the options market. How does a binary options platform looks? These are things that you need to know before you delve into it. Okay, binary.com is a platform for trading binary options. All right, you have the asset right there, you have the option type. Okay, that's going up or is going down. Okay, the call or put, but the one right here, they use purchase. If you believe the asset will go higher, you purchase higher. If you believe it will go lower than your entry point, you purchase lower. That's simply the same thing as call or put. That's simply what it means. And of course, you have return per investment right here. The return per investment, which is about 82% return if you win this trade. Okay, I mean that's amazing. That's huge. That's huge, and it's all there for you to take advantage of in this market. Okay, we'll move forward and let's show you another one. This IQ option. All right, IQ option is another fine, very beautiful broker traders. Okay, what it means is that right here you have the different expiration times. Okay, And what we are telling you today, we are talking about today, our system is built on the 30-minute expiry. So you will need to choose a 30 minutes expiration, but every option doesn't offer that exactly, but something close to 30 minutes, and you'll be able to trade. You'll still be able to win the trade right now. And you have call or put, okay, which are the terms that are used by different brokers, depends on the broker you have an account with. All right. Okay, let me show you another one. Another platform right here that is also very good. Okay, this is Alpari Forex. Now, Alpari is a Forex broker. The options trading. Okay, so if you open an account with them, you'll also be able to participate in this market. And they've been around for quite some time, and we would highly recommend Alpari. Okay, in transparency and easy withdrawals of your money. So you can also use Alpari for your business as well. Okay, they have the same quite high PR ratios and 30 minutes expiry for traders to benefit from. Now, this is the Eki BinaSexy System v1.0. Now, this system, here we're showing you different parts of the system, what makes up the system. On the far left hand side, Forex economic calendar. This opens you to and gives you access to a quick overview of what is happening in the Forex market. Okay, the economic activities happening right now, instantly, that are affecting each currency. You find it right there. Okay, and these here, these they are the bands, extreme bands. Right here, you have the signals. Those red and white or green balls right there. They're the BinaSexy signals. Okay, and the upper right hand corner right here, you have the candlestick timer. All right, it's price management magnifier. This one shows you the current price right here on this price bar. All right, then down here you have your currencies, different currencies. Click on any one of them to activate on the main window. You have the overbought and oversold indicator, which is below right here. Now, those are the different parts of this system. What makes it all together, so that you get familiar with what we're talking about right now. Okay, if you're watching this video, you stream with us live on Facebook. This event today will open your eyes to a new world, to a lot of things, a lot of advantages using our system to benefit options. Okay, now these are system rules. Every system has a rule and how to use it. Okay, how to use it to enter the trade market. All right, you have the trading technology, binary system, v1.0 or trading rules. You have call and put. These are terms that are used in. All right, you have call and put, which means buy and sell. You have higher and lower. Okay, win, loss. All right. ITM, if you hear this, it means in the money. That means you're winning that trade. It's a win trade. Odds means out of the money. Okay, which also means a losing trade. All right. Now entry rules. For call or put trades, wait for price to breach the purple or red extreme bands. This is okay. Wait for the both red and white, green and white balls, okay, to form below or above the same candlestick. Now, these are very important to take note of. If you are going to be using our system to trade binary options, very, very important to take note of, okay? Now, rule number 3, trade when both red, all right, and white dots or green and white dot forms side by side above or below stick outside the purple bands. Now, that's rule number 3. 4. Avoid trading 30 minutes before and after major news events in the market. Okay, very, very important. All right, you will see the reason why as we continue. Okay, let's look at the next slide here. Okay, right there. Now, said we are looking for take signals are the bulls. If you can see this, there is a green and a white on the same spot. Okay, here the price moved down, all right, move back up. Right there, you can see the price hit that red line and give us the white and the red ball on the same spot. What do we do here? You sell. Okay, you take a put trade, you enter a put trade, you sell right here and you win 30 minutes expiry and you win that trade. Bingo. Now also moving down here, the price soared down again and hits this green line and a green bar and a white ball. Right here we call and here we win this trade. Right? That's interesting. Now that's one of the signals. Okay, how to enter, and how to win. When you have the two balls, the red white ball inside of it forming at the same spot, the same, or below, above, or below, you can take that trade for a win. Okay, you can either do a call or a put. Which set of fall? Call means a buy, all right? A put trade means a sell, means you're selling. Right here, you see how this price soared above this purple line, okay? These two dots right here, side by side, we said, side by side. You see those two side by side. This trade, a put trade right here, you would have took a put trade right here, and this was a move down, serious move down. And the price, when it got to this level, below this pink line, in between this purple, sorry, and this green line, the price gave us a call right here. We took that trade, okay, and right here you win. That's what it means. You win this trade right here, okay. This is when it pops up, and the good thing is that it's 30 minutes expiry. You don't have to be running up and down. Oh, the trade's coming up. You just running up, rushing to the trade because it's 5 minutes expiry, it's 7 expiry. No, it's 30 minutes expiry. So you have time within the first 5 minutes, whether you're in the office, you're at home, wherever you are, you can use the system to trade successfully. That's what we're talking about here. That's what we're talking about here. Okay, right now we have this also. Okay, if you see this right now, I'm showing you something very interesting. You see these lines here, these red lines, straight lines. They are effects of the news. They are new events. They notify you of upcoming news events. Okay, that's what they represent on the chart. So avoid trading 30 minutes before and after major economic news release. It's very, very important. Right here, you may have very good signal, but because it's within this news range here, you don't want to take that trade. Okay, we don't advise you to take any trade right here. Okay, you see that news event notification lines. These are news event notification lines. When a news is coming out from the US, it's coming out from the UK, or whatever country, dollar is going to affect the pound. You have it right here. It will signal that the news is coming. Okay. Now, this right here is a very good signal. You can see. Okay. You can see this right here. Very, very huge. Awesome signal. This can only end in a win. You have a put right here. You see the price move far above the red line. Okay, and give us those signals right there. That's a win trade. Also, the same thing here. The price reaches down below this green line and give us that signal right there. We enter for a call trade and we win this trade. You can do this over and over, day in, day out, every time. You'll be winning using this system to trade the binary options market. This is why it was designed, so that everybody can enjoy it. Okay, if you're a member of Eki Traders, you like to have this. It doesn't matter if you know about the market. It doesn't matter if you can trade or not. You can enjoy making money from the comfort of your home. That's why we're doing this, right? So now this is entry signal. We have two signals in this system. The first one is what we're talking about when the red and the white ball appears on the same spot. The second one is when the red and the white balls appear side by side. Okay, you see that? That's a call. Side by side, and that's a win. That's a put trade, and that's a win trade. All right? That's very, very clear enough and precise. Because we believe that trading is patience. All right? Making money and you know, participating in the market is patience. Patience. So when you are trading this market with a system, you have to be very patient, right? Because the right signal will come at the right time. That's what we're talking about. The right signal at the right time. Okay. Now this other one here. If you see this area tells you that there are oncoming news events. Okay. Volatility during major economic release. Great signal, but avoid trading at this time. The reason is because right inside of the news, you could get caught up in a very high volatility, okay, high movement of price, and it won't be good for your trading. So we have a very good signal right here because the price came all the way down, broke the green line, the purple and the green line, and gave us this signal. It was massive. All right. If you are taking this trade, you would have won right here, but it's still very, very sensitive area. Okay, we don't encourage you taking trade these lines right here and inside the news, economic releases, because it's quite volatile. You have a lot of ripples in the market when that happens. All right, that's what it means. So you avoid trading at those times. You just leave the market and you don't do anything. You wait for the right time, for the right signal when the market or the news has passed. Okay, and you can confidently and comfortably take trades. All right. Okay, let's move on from there and show you another example of a good signal here. Okay. All right. Now, this is a trade that we took with this system. This tells you that you can double your investment in one day. All right. We tested the system with this live trading account. The initial deposit was $10. We just put $10 in, excuse me, to test it, and we made $19.87. The very same day. You can see the trades right here that we won on that day. Okay, so the system works. That's what it means. If you can follow simple rules and be confident in yourself that, man, you can do this, you will enjoy right now at the Eki Traders Institute, because we want you to make money. Okay, we are going to make money. We also want you to make money. So we are here, all here together, difference. All right, to make a difference. So what I'm showing right now is something that's very, very big. Now let's go live into the live market and experience this. Let me show you how it is, on a live chart. On a live chart for you to see what does this thing really look like? How does it, is it just screenshots? I mean, how does it look on a real-time chart? That's what we're talking about now. Okay, that's what we're talking about now. Let me share screen with you. Okay, to show you how it works in real time. All right. Now here we are. Now this chart. Okay, these are called candlesticks. Okay, they represent sign language of the market. Okay, if you highlight on each of them, signal which is right here. Okay, so when you work with our system, it gives you confidence. All right, confidence to trade. Now, what we have succeeded in doing is removing analysis. You don't have to look at the candlesticks formation. Is it around me? Is it a bullish engulfing? Is it bearish engulfing the pin bar? You don't have to do it anymore. Okay, now let's go back to our slide. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, right there, we are back now. So what we want to talk about right now is you seeing how it works in real time on the chart. You've seen how it works. At Eki Traders Institute, we are together. Okay, great companies and lives and families are building execution skills. Promise is to stay together. We never leave our clients behind. Okay, that's our policy at Eki Traders Institute. All right. So when you buy the signal, you have this system to trade with, guaranteed profit. Okay. A premium membership benefits coming into the use of the system, acquiring the system gives you access to our live trading room, a lifetime support for your system, 100% free premium signals. When you have access to the signal, we'll give you to premium room, receive free signals every day for trading. All right. It means that even if you can take signals right from our desk and you can execute on your platform. Free binary options education and lifetime mentorship. If you want to contact us, our contact address right there. All this you will enjoy, okay, as a premium member. The binary system is how much? It's just $100. All right. This gives you access to make money from this market. It's only $100, and with this, you're good to go. That's what it means. All right. When you have this, so a whole lot of course, money in the bank for you. That's what we're talking about. You can multiply, double your investment every day in the market. This is what it means for you. It's money in the bank, straight. Okay. All you have to just learn how it works, follow our live webinars, join us, experience what we do here at Eki Traders Institute, and you will enjoy a whole lot of benefits. Okay. So this is what we have brought to you today. If you are interested, you want to contact us. All right. You have our Facebook links, you have our YouTube channel. Okay. Let me take you to our YouTube channel, and this for $100 dollars. You follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook. Ask us any questions, contact us, and we'll be there to answer your questions and help you succeed in this market. Right? So it's nice having you. Give us a call, chat with us. Let us know how we can help you succeed trading with our system in this market, and together we shall make it. We hope to see you next time. Join our live webinars, subscribe to our emails so that we can both enjoy this experience together. Okay, thanks for joining us. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.